Cybershoppers could soon see sales tax on every online purchase. The U.S. Senate already passed a bill to allow it. Now the House will soon take it up. And it's not an idea sitting well with internet sellers here in Wisconsin. With continuing coverage on the potential impact here, we turn to News 3's Dannika Lewis. Danica?
Well, Eric, under the new law, buyers would shell out for sales tax when they check out rather than filing a tax return for their online shopping. The state estimates it would bring $95 million in 2015 alone. But some online companies say the costs far outweigh the payoff. With this warehouse of high-ticket items, there's no skipping out on sales tax. American TV President Doug Rule thinks that should be the rule for all retailers.
It's what we're required to do by law, and we do it at our own cost. It's just part of doing business, so I don't see why internet retailers wouldn't be required to do the same thing.
Rule says customers have walked out on his prices, thinking they can opt out of paying the extra 5.5% if they check out online.
If brick and mortar retailers aren't competitive, they won't get the sales.
From selling screens to selling on them.
Why would anyone want to do that?
Rick Remeshatis is bracing for the backlash of a bill, which would charge him with charging sales tax to his customers' online carts.
It will be a daunting task to determine what's taxable in each jurisdiction and what's not.
Remeshatis and his wife run WisconsinMade.com. If the bill passes, the feds promised him free software so the site could calculate sales tax for any state. But Remeshatis thinks it will be far from free to install it.
Our biggest concern, or our biggest worry, or our biggest preparation is how, if required, we would integrate this into the package.
There is an exception. Any company that sells less than $1 million out of state each year doesn't have to collect sales tax on e-commerce.
I guess our fear is, though, the whole cost of implementation and whether or not we would, in fact, be shut down if we were not able to comply.
But if his buyers have to add to the sticker price, Rule still says that should go for everyone.
I think it's inevitable that online retailers will have to collect sales tax. It's just a matter of time.
Now, we did reach out to other companies that do a good bit of online business, one of those being Land's End. A written statement says this bill will level the playing field between all retailers, regardless of how they connect with customers. It goes on to say the bill corrects a system that has given significant and unfair competitive advantage to a handful of online-only retailers. Note that Land's End has a physical store in Wisconsin, Eric, so the company is already charging sales tax when you buy their items on their site.
Interesting to see how this all plays out. Danica, thank you.